In the sunny little house lived Mama, Papa, and a little girl named Lana. Lana loved toys. She loved building block towers. She loved drawing colorful pictures. She loved her stuffed bunny very much. Every day, Lana played happily in the living room. But sometimes, when playtime was finished, the floor was covered with toys. Blocks over here, crayons over there, a toy car under the sofa. Mama looked around the room. "Oh my," Mama said gently. "It looks like a toy storm passed through." Lana giggled. It was a big playtime. After a while, Mama said, "Lana, it's time to clean up the toys." Lana looked around the room. There were many toys everywhere. Her shoulders drooped. "That's too many toys," Lana said. Mama smiled softly. "Maybe we need a little adventure." Lana's eyes sparkled. "What kind of adventure?" Papa whispered with a playful voice. "A toy tidy treasure hunt." Papa clapped his hands. "The first treasure," he said. "Can you find 3 red blocks?" Lana looked around. She spotted one, then another, and then one more under the table. "Found them!" Lana cheered. She placed them in the toy basket. Mama smiled. "Wonderful treasure hunting." Papa looked around the room again. "Next treasure," he said. "Who can find 2 crayons?" Lana searched carefully. She picked up a blue crayon, then a yellow one. Into the crayon box they went. Mama clapped softly. "You are an excellent treasure hunter." Lana laughed. "This is fun." Soon the room had fewer toys on the floor. Papa pointed under the sofa. "Oh, I see a hidden treasure." Lana crawled down and pulled out a toy car. "Found it!" She placed it in the toy bin. The floor looked clean again. The toy storm had disappeared. Lana looked around proudly. "The room looks nice now," she said. Mama hugged her. "When we tidy, little at a time, it feels easier." Papa smiled. "And treasure hunts make it fun." Lana picked up her bunny and sat on the couch. The room felt calm again. No toy storm. Just a cozy, happy home. And tomorrow, there might be another tidy toy treasure hunt.